Good morning, children. Today we are going to do a poem, How Beautiful is the Rain. This poem is written by H.W. Longfellow. His actual name is Henry Wadsworth Longfellow. He was born in 1807. He is an American poet and educator. His most famous works include Paul Revere's Ride and the Song of Hayworth. Now let us first recite the poem. The poem recitation goes like this. How beautiful is the rain after the dust and heat, in the broad and fiery street, in the narrow lane, how beautiful is the rain. How it clatters along the roofs, like the tramp of hoofs, how it gushes and struggles out from the throat of the overflowing spout, across the window pane, it pours and it pours, and swift and wide, with a muddy tide, like a river down the gutter roars, the rain, the welcome rain. Okay, so this is the poem. Now let us come to the explanation of the poem. Children, all of you have experienced rain. Rainfall in India comes about from, you can say, beginning of the month of July. Although the official date is 15th June, but we get rainfall mostly from the month of July. Children, after a scorching spell of summer, which is about 3 months in India, the rain is such a welcome thing. Feel the rain. You feel the cool, tiny droplets on your hand and feel the rain. It's such a beautiful thing. It gives such a soothing, cool, and beautiful feeling. Here, the poet has described the rain in very beautiful words. How beautiful is the rain after the dust and heat! Yes, after the dust and heat because it comes after the summer. The summers are too hot and the dusty winds or storms make everything full of dust. The rain is welcome. It falls on the broad streets, it falls on the roads and in the narrow lanes. The roads are all full of the warmth and heat of the day's sun, and the rain feels beautiful there. How it clatters along the roofs like the tramp of hoofs. The rain drops everywhere. It rattles as it falls on the roofs. You can hear the clatter or the rattling sound, like the tramp of hoofs. It sounds sometimes as if many horses are running or walking noisily. Tramp of hooves. How it gushes and struggles out. You can also hear the sound of the water coming out of the pipes. And you can hear the gushing sound. This word gushes is a sound word. It also gives you the sound, how the water comes out and struggles out. It seems the water is coming out with difficulty through a pipe. From the throat of the overflowing spout. The spout is actually the pipe through which the water is coming out. It is overflowing. Because of the heavy rainfall, the water is flowing out with great speed or it is flowing out rapidly. You know, the rain is such a beautiful thing. It actually rejuvenates everything. What is the meaning of rejuvenate? Rejuvenate means to make feel young, healthy, or energetic, or to give new strength or energy. Rain gives new energy to all the living plants and animals and to even the human beings. All the plants turn green, the leaves are washed clean, and the atmosphere becomes so fresh and clean too. The rainfall comes on the window pane too. If you are inside the house, you can see the rainfall on the window pane, the tiny droplets. You can also hear the rain as it pours and it pours. Yes, the rainfall pours. When there is a heavy rainfall, you feel it is pouring. And in swift and wide, with a muddy tide, the rainwater can be seen in the fields. And as it turns into small rivulets or small streams of water running across the landscape, it is swift, it is rapid, it is wide. And why a muddy tide? Muddy tide because the rain water turns muddy as it flows through the fields. Like a river down the gutter rows, the rainwater, when it enters the gutters, it flows as if it is a river because you can hear the loud sound of the water running in the gutter. The rain, the welcome rain. The rain is such a welcome thing, such a beautiful thing. It soothes our minds, it rejuvenates our spirits, it makes us feel so good. And hence, how beautiful is the rain. Thank you.